So just got this set of Chrysler 300 lights in. I'm sitting here wondering why they're making so much noise in the box. The whole lens part for this is it's just bouncing all around the place. So luckily I'm opening these up anyway, but you know, if I was a regular customer that would suck. But yeah, time to break these open, fix this, and then we're doing color shift halos and a color shift strip down in this little section right here. So here we go. This one is apart. Halo's already off. So it's got these this white LED strip on the bottom. Take this off and replace this with the color shift. I might do the color shift like right in this actual, like in this tray. Line it up in here some sort of way. Probably like flat right here. Shine it up. It goes down and around up to here. But yep. I got this snap back in, but to keep it from snapping back out, I can, there we go. Is this it? No. Yeah, that is it. All right, so this little part right here, that's where the snap is. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the glue that I used to seal the headlights. I'm gonna put some glue on this end, and same thing on this side right here. So just glue the clamps down. That way once it dries, this won't pop out and it'll stay put. One headlight is done. I still got to put another layer of sealant around it and seal up the hole where the wires come out down here. But the actual headlight part is done. So halos, high beam, low beam, LED strip. You see it's laying right here, but it's positioned so once you go from the front, it basically reflects off of all of the little spots in there, like the ones that came with it did. So you get the full look. But I still got to redo the wires for the strip because they came separate from the halos. So blue and green, it's kind of hard to see. Me dim it down some. But yeah, so blue and green is reversed, which, you know, you usually got that when you get the strips and the halos coming from different people. Is usually set up different for some reason, but everything works though. So I just gotta splice into these wires. This black one is for the strip, so I just gotta splice into those, move a couple wires over, the blue and the green wire, just reverse those, and then that'll match and everything else will be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other headlight before I get to splicing that, because I still gotta, this is just the control box to test it. So I'm still waiting on the Bluetooth box, and sometimes that one is set up different than this. So before I get around to splicing anything, I wanna make sure everything, like the colors, like red is red on here for the halo, green is green, blue is blue. So when I get the Bluetooth box, I just want to make sure the colors match up with the colors on the controls for it before I get the splicing. But they should be here a little bit later, so I'll go ahead and get this other headlight done. By the time I'm done with that, maybe the mail will run and everything will be here. Fast forward to like 5 minutes, but just like I said, this is the new controller. So this is the Bluetooth one. It can work with your phone and all that, and then, or you can use the option where you just use this remote. But like I said, hit green on here. Look what we got. The actual strip is green this time. The halo is wrong. So hit blue. Strip is blue. Halo is green. So instead of splicing the strip, which is this one, I gotta splice the actual halo, which is these two. But these are easier to splice because I can actually see each individual wire, so I can pull them out like that. So yeah. Those two are the ones I got to splice, not the strip. But like I said, I'm gonna do the other headlight first and then splice them both at the same time. And this other light apart, you really don't know what you're getting when you buy this stuff. So everything is screwed down, 2 screws per light. So you see these two right here had screws. These two. This is a screw. And what do we have here? just some glue, because apparently whatever this screws into, I guess it broke. And I guess they was like, we're not finna lose out on this whole headlight, so let's just glue it down and nobody will know the difference. There we go. I think it's good glue, but yeah, definitely just glue. So a lot of this stuff breaks in the process of, I guess, them making it. So yeah, there we go. Get that out. Yeah, so rather than just scrap it and throw something else, like get another one, they just say forget it. Glue it, keep the line moving. So yeah. Even the the big time companies and will hack some stuff together. And you saw earlier that the whole reflector was loose on that one. Not even loose, was out and just bouncing around. So yeah, just because it's from a major company doesn't mean you're getting top notch. Anything could be in this box. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these new halos in, put the strip in, put this stuff back together, seal it, and get ready to box it up and mail it out.